The two main methods used by Catholic homeschoolers are the scholastic method and the classical method. The classical method can be very difficult to define because it can mean different things to different people. On the one hand, some people could refer to it as a method whereby the focus of education is on the liberal arts, and which concentrates on teaching children how to think instead of teaching them mere facts. This definition seems insufficient because unless we are speaking of purely vocational training, this description could refer to almost any method of education. It can certainly be true of the scholastic method. We need a definition which can differentiate classical from scholastic. A more precise description of the classical method would be the method of education whereby the ancient cultures of Greece and Rome are used as a framework and treasury of first sources. The traditional 7 classical liberal arts, comprised of the trivium and the quadrivium, are taught with a focus on first sources. Even the 2 home study programs, which refer to themselves as classical, use this term in different ways. Mother of Divine Grace School really only uses the less precise definition of classical, and in many ways, the Mother of Divine Grace curriculum can look very scholastic, with the exception of a focus on first sources. Colby Academy Homeschool, however, uses the term classical in a more rigorous and precise way, strongly focusing on ancient Greek and Latin language and culture. Colby also refers to its method as Ignatian, because this form of classical education was heavily used by the Jesuit order in their educational institutions throughout the world.